Many congratulations to you. I mean, couple of very good selection. You were dreaming to go US for your PhD chemistry program with full scholarship.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
तो भुजा मुरुगन, तो कहाँ से आती हैं आप? आई मीन, व्हाट इज योर बैकग्राउंड, योर फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, व्हाट अबाउट योर एजुकेशन टिल मास्टर्स? टेल अस इन सम डिटेल.
So I am from Bangalore, a Tamilian settled down in Bangalore. So I did my whole schooling and all my bachelor's, masters, everything from Bangalore. So
Okay.
my bachelor's and masters were from Christ University, Bangalore. I did my
Okay.
bachelor's in physics, chemistry, maths. It was a triple major system back then. And
And
then
when did you
my
finish your
master's
BSc?
in 2022, I finished my BSc.
And what were your grades? Excuse me. तो फिर आपने कब सोचा कि you want to explore PhD from the US?
It was, I think, after my first year or somewhere in the mid of my first year of masters, which is quite late when I thought I should go abroad. Uh,
Okay.
and towards my second year, I was more into studying and focusing on my thesis and stuff like that.
Mhm.
So,
Mhm.
but it originated but I had this plan of doing PhD, but not sure where, either in India or abroad. But
Okay.
somewhere around after my first year is when I fixed that okay, I have to do it abroad.
Okay. So, तो आपके दिमाग में पहले से सब प्लानिंग थी. तो फिर आपने हमारे बारे में कैसे पता लगाया और कैसे जुड़ी आप?
Yeah, so this I got to know about you by from YouTube videos. I was trying to search for some mentorship or something that and as usual everyone goes through social media and stuff. So I
Mhm.
got to know you from YouTube, and then when I spoke to you, you introduced me to one of my college mate also who actually did get your mentorship for physics PhD. So
हाँ.
that's how I got connected to you.
Okay. So there, I think you have no doubts कि online platform है, तो there was no trust issue.
No, definitely not, because it was all the videos that I saw was, it made me more convinced. It convinced me that yeah, this is the right direction that I'm in.
Very good. तो इस प्रोसेस में आपने क्या एग्जाम दिए हैं अभी तक, और मतलब दिए, और क्या आपका स्कोर रहा था?
So I gave my IELTS exam in the month of September. That was September 29th, and my score was 8. Band was 8 for.
Excellent. Okay. How did you prepare? कैसे तैयारी की आपने?
So I started the preparation just like a month ago, or maybe like 3 weeks ago
Mhm.
only, and
Okay.
it was from the browser link that you shared for all
Okay.
the regular tests and materials. So I used to spend some at least like 1 hour in the evening or night to study for that.
Excellent. Very nice. अभी बताओ पूजा, अभी तक कहाँ से आपके सिलेक्शंस आए हैं, और क्या स्कॉलरशिप?
So yeah, so I have got an offer letter from Montana State University, and then and that was a month ago, and then
Okay.
now another one from a few days back I got from University of Houston.
ह्यूस्टन. ओके. सो इन दोनों में कौन सा आपको अच्छा लग रहा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिसर्च इनिशिएटिव्स?
So when I try to look for the department and my research interest and how I align my research interests to theirs, I was more aligned towards University of Houston.
Houston will be very good choice for you. R1 category, a lot of good research and other opportunities through the PhD program, I would say. तो ह्यूस्टन आपको क्या स्कॉलरशिप वगैरह दे रहे हैं?
Just a second, I need to like look exactly the.
Sure, sure, sure.
So they have this GTA, which is graduate teaching assistantship for 12 months with a monthly stipend of $2,326
Okay.
for the, and then which comes to around $2,799.14 per year.
Good. And
That's
I
it.
think tuition is waived, covering the medical insurance as well.
Yeah, covering.
And how about Montana State?
Montana State. Another.
Mhm.
So Montana State is offering 2007 $27436 for my first year. That is where for the GPA, the stipend for the GPA,
Okay.
and
Good.
it's to 11,589 per academic semester.
Nice, very nice. Basically, yeah, it is at par. I think good opportunity, I would say, but I would say so far Houston looks better choice in terms of
Houston.
research initiatives. अब ये बताइए, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं कि इस जर्नी में जुड़ने से लेकर अभी तक सिलेक्शन तक वीजा प्रोसेसिंग बाकी है, क्या सब हमारे मेंटरशिप रही, कैसे इस सक्सेस में हमारा एक पार्टनरशिप रही.
So, pehle from I should start from the initial phase where I was very clueless and I was more aligned to go and do my research PhD in European countries. But I thought, okay, let me speak to you, and I spoke to you over a call, and that's when you actually asked me, what do you want to do after PhD? So this is one thing that I never thought before at all.
Hmm.
So you told me that you need to structure your PhD in a way that you'll do something after you want whatever you want to do after that. You need to think about that before. So then I had this plan of staying in academia. So then you told me that PhD in US is it's well suited for doing your academia career later on. So it's like a more elaborate 5-year PhD. So that's when I started looking for PhD in US. So that's one place where you actually mentored me in the right direction. Otherwise, I would have not thought of doing it in US at all. So it was always out of my thinking that I should go to US. So
Okay.
so that's where it was very much helpful. After that came the IELTS exam. So IELTS exam I was very scared of IELTS. I can speak well, but I'm not very good at writing, and all those modules were not easy for me. Again, your materials and all that really helped a lot. So because of that, I was able to get a good bank score in my IELTS as well. And after that, I was applying through the for the universities. I really appreciate how you made a proper column of when is the last date and what are the links for department, what are the links for application. That actually helps. So where I have been doing my my project here in Ashoka University. So it has been a bit hectic for me to search for universities, and so when you made the whole column and gave, it was very much helpful in that.
University listing. Yes.
Yes, universities. And after that was application processes. Again, it was quite hectic for me to see the deadline and apply before and finish, complete all my documents. Very bad at maintaining documents. So I really appreciate how you took the initiative of submitting almost all of my applications. So I really have to thank you for all that.
Great. Yes, shortlisting university, I think one of the key criteria या जहाँ बैठे हैं selection देखें. Okay. And what
I
about
forgot to mention. Yeah, I forgot to mention how you also asked me. You made me fill a form for my research interests, like all my
questionnaire?
background. So questionnaire. So I think, and then the way you gave me the shortlisted universities, it was very much aligned to what I wanted. So I really like.
What about CV and scientific SOP, another part?
Yeah, same way the questionnaire that I filled. That's all that I did. And I think most of this, everything, the CV and SOP and all, you had done everything. So I just filled the questionnaire. So that was it.
The rest is
Yeah.
taken care of the team.
Yeah.
What about expenses? अभी तक हमारे साथ जुड़ने से लेके अभी तक सिलेक्शन तक क्या एक्सपेंस रहे हैं आपके?
So it was around a whole figure of about 2 lakhs because I had applied to quite a lot of universities, that is around 11 universities,
Yes,
and
yes.
the fee for this. So it came to around 2 lakhs, which is a very reasonable amount.
It's never. We completely agree. It's like whole scholarship comes with like 2 crore. I mean, 2 lakh is as compared, it was nothing. All right. So एक और क्वेश्चन मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा आता है, बीइंग फीमेल, अभी तक जब से आपने एजुकेशन शुरू की और इस स्टेज तक पहुंची, क्या स्ट्रगल रहे, क्या चैलेंज रहे, तो कैसे आपने उनको ओवरकम किया? कैन बी एनीथिंग.
I should say I have been very much blessed and lucky to not face much. Actually, I have seen people face a lot of issues being a female in the society, especially being a woman in STEM is not easy. But I have always been blessed with good parents, good friend circles, good mentors who have always guided me. But here and there are cases where you get to listen that you still have more to study. They think that PhD is another studying phase or something like that. So, and in India there is this one notion, India or South India, I don't know about how it works in the north, but we have to get married. The girl have to get married soon. So it's already late for people here. So that's only one problem I have with people here. So that's something that I'm facing. That's all.
ओके, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. और आपको बता दूं, यदि आप ह्यूस्टन ऑप्ट करते हैं तो ऑलरेडी टोटल 5 स्टूडेंट इस बार हमारे जो ह्यूस्टन में सेलेक्ट हुए हैं. आप एक ग्रुप भी बना सकती हैं, एक साथ हाउसिंग भी देख सकती हैं, यहाँ से एक साथ जा भी सकती हैं.
Okay, that's nice. Thank you so much. This is the connection that I wanted. Yeah.
हेल्प करता है और एक थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस भी रहता है, तो एक साथ जा रहे हैं.
हाँ,
तो
साथ जा रहे हैं.
साथ जा रहे हैं.
हाँ. Yeah.
बहुत बहुत बधाई. कुछ कहना चाहे हमारे मेंटरशिप एफर्ट्स को लेकर, फ्यू फाइनल वर्ड्स?
So I would actually recommend people who are very clueless about how to apply for universities and how to shortlist universities. I would recommend your mentorship because it has helped me a lot, and it was always a dream for me. And I thought it would just be a dream. So, but seeing it come to reality, I should thank you so much for that.
Okay, Bhuja, I'm going to connect with you soon. Give me 2 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Yeah.